Hi, it's Zach here to bring you today's deal on the HD TV wireless headphone kit by Extreme. This is a really awesome set of headphones that allows you to turn any of your devices into Bluetooth compatible devices to use with the included headphones. Now this is great for TVs, stereo systems, just about anything that you want to turn into a Bluetooth device. All you have to do is connect the Bluetooth transmitter to the device, whether it be a TV that even comes with RCA cables, or like I said, a sound system. It comes with a 3.5 millimeter cord as well, and that will automatically turn that device into Bluetooth. Then you just hook it up to the headphones and you can listen wirelessly up to 33 feet away. Now this is really great if you want to watch TV late at night but you don't want to wake anybody else up in the house, or say like me and my wife, she likes to read a book while I watch TV and play video games, and I can do that now with this pair of headphones connected to the TV. Now what's great about this is that the kit does come with this really high quality pair of HD headphones which sound amazing. They're over the ear design, so they're very comfortable as well, but you can use any Bluetooth device that you want. If you plug this in, you can connect it to a pair of Bluetooth earbuds that you have or a Bluetooth speaker that you might already have. Now the Bluetooth headphones can also be used with other Bluetooth devices, not just the transmitter. So say you use these for your tablet or your smartphone and you're listening to your playlist, you actually have onboard media keys on here which allow you to skip tracks, change the volume, and pause and play the music as you wish. And it's even got a built-in microphone, so if you get a phone call on your phone while you're listening to music, you just hit the call answer button and you can have the conversation right through this pair of headphones. Now you can also use the headphones with a wired connection with the included auxiliary cord, and that won't drain the battery power on these either, which is really nice. Now speaking of battery power, these both, the headphones and the transmitter, have internal rechargeable batteries, and they even give you a wall adapter as well as a micro USB charging cord to charge those up. Now let's say you want to plug the transmitter into the TV, you can actually leave this plugged in at all times so you never drain the battery and you can use it whenever you'd like. Now for setting this up behind your TV for a more permanent solution, both the transmitter itself and the little included cradle both have peel and stick on there, so you can actually stick this to the back of your TV if you don't plan on moving it around too much. Now I absolutely love this kit, especially because you can use both items separate from each other as well as together. We have a fantastic deal on this, so head on over to the site and grab yours today.